searched how to buy shares of Tamburi Investment Partners S.p.A. This Italian investment holding trades on CBOE EU under ticker TIP.MI. And this video is for educational purposes, not financial advice. You need a broker account to buy the stock, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you must verify the account with an ID document and add funds before purchasing. Use the platform search box and type the ticker TIP.MI to find Tamburi Investment Partners. Confirm the listing shows CBOE EU to ensure you select the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company's summary and study the price chart to understand the listing. Check the issuer name and ticker TIP.MI again to confirm this is the right share. To invest, click Trade or Buy. Enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and execution settings before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at the next session, and the platform will ask you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After the order fills, the position appears in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same example.